So everyone had your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I think everyone are here. So good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hello, good morning, all.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Good,
Fine.
ma'am.
Okay, please turn on your video, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Heza.
What?
Heza, can you sit properly? Yeah.
Okay, so what activity are you planning today?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing. You plan nothing.
Ma'am, I'm choosing gaming club, ma'am.
You're
What?
choosing gaming club. Every day you need gaming club.
Gaming
Hi,
club.
Hade.
Yes,
Hi,
Hadi and
Hade.
me are okay with it.
No more gaming club.
Yes, you can go to art class and all.
Actually, today we are planning something other.
Okay.
I don't know whether it will be interesting for you, but I hope this will be.
It will be boring, ma'am.
What is this? Nathaniel, without knowing, please don't say in such a way, okay?
Yeah. Without knowing anything, don't just say it.
Yeah, and Faiha, Jalsta, Amina, Azmin, Ayan, Affam now. Please turn on your video.
There's
I
no
want to
video.
see everyone.
Ma'am, I'm going to.
Eh,
Can you
Um,
guess what it is? It's actually a sort of game.
okay.
Just do kid.
Is it QC's notebook or
No.
something?
What, Ahan?
Is it a type of game like Blue Cat QC's or something?
No, not like that.
Oh.
Hmm. Okay.
Puzzle.
Um, I believe it's a interesting game.
Okay.
Okay.
I think it will
Okay.
be better if we create the breakout room, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Um,
Yes, ma'am.
y- is it
Yeah.
necessary, ma'am?
No, I think it's not necessary today because not that much students,
Ah,
right?
yeah, only some students are here, no?
Yes.
So I think so. For doing this, you need one pen and a pen and a book.
I have.
Already. I'm already ready with it.
Already ready with that. Very
Yeah.
good. Okay, all of you, please take it. So I'll share you something. Then you get what
Ma'am,
we are
I'm not
planning.
in here.
What?
I'm not here.
Then
You're
where are
not here.
you?
Then where are you?
I don't have a book.
Oh,
You don't have a book or a pencil there. Book and
I
pencil there.
have a pen, but not a book.
Just take a paper at least.
oh,
No, I don't have anything.
What is this, Hadi? How can you say that?
I
You're
am
a...
in Kerala.
So you don't get a book there.
But I was staying in Pune, right?
These all reasons are not for a book, right?
I don't
For
even
getting a
have a
PDF.
paper or a book.
Then how you're studying?
I am with textbook.
You don't
Textbook
have a
in their
notebook
book.
with you.
So last class you were saying that your textbook with your mom, right?
Yeah, my mother would give me that.
Hadi, just take a piece of paper.
I don't have.
Okay, then you can leave from this class.
Really?
No.
Then write on the textbook.
Yeah,
What
anyway,
about the
anywhere, write anywhere. Okay. Just make sure that you're
I
writing.
write on my hand. Oh,
Okay, this is a memory test game.
Okay.
okay.
Azra, it's not interesting.
Ready.
Your face got blank when you see this.
if you're having any ideas, you can give us ideas, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
anyway,
So
let's
that
play this today. And
yeah, so that we
for
can
the next
according
game, you
think
can give
for the
some
future.
ideas next day, next week.
Okay.
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 So today we'll be playing this. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Hmm?
Okay, so you can see some rules here.
HSC test baby.
What?
All are here now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is there many to join, ma'am? You know,
Yes, there are.
Adra ma'am.
Yes, Ranchi ma'am.
Anybody is there to join again?
In actually, eighth, ninth, and all I'm not taking because of that. I don't know the students.
Oh, okay. Okay. Anyways,
Every
please.
class because I don't know all the students because I'm not taking Hindi for some.
Okay. Yeah. Affam, Hadi, and there are some others who are not turning on their video.
Like who is from Azra? Grade 8 students are there. All students are here.
Affan's brother only.
Andrew is absent today.
Fine.
Manan is there. Then
And
who?
Jolster.
Neha is there.
Yeah.
And
I
Jolster.
Is Dunster there?
Yeah, Joelster was there, but he's not turning
Yeah,
on his
Jolster, he
video.
joined.
Yeah, and Ashan. Yeah, everyone is here.
1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
Andrew
note
is
it down?
absent.
And what about Safwan?
Safan's not there.
Oh.
He was there in previous
Ma'am,
class.
from Nanfield, 2 are absent.
Why
Can you
is
say the
your-
names of them?
Ma'am, Nashik and a newcomer.
Nashikan?
A newcomer. ma'am.
Ah.
We don't know the name of him.
Ma'am, I forgot.
Fatima.
What, Amina?
Her name is Fatima. I think she
Fatima.
doesn't have the classroom to join.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, are you noting it down? Hello, Adra ma'am.
Ma'am, can I rejoin?
Yes, dear. Okay, so can we start? Hi, Affam. It's been so long since I see you. Ayan,
Yes, ma'am.
good to see you so long back. Okay, so can we start? Hiza
Yes,
Fatima.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Jwelster, can you turn on your video? Only you are
Yes,
remaining to turn on your
Ma'am,
video.
just call me Haza. Not my full name.
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
okay. You want Heza to call. Sure, dear. I'll be calling Heza. Hi, Jwelster. Okay. Yeah. So I think it's time. All of you got your book and pen with you.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So here are some rules for this game. You can read it. Okay.
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 This is getting changed.
That's up. You have 2 minutes to write down as very objects you remember. Okay.
How?
Okay. So how to play? Somebody can read loud.
Okay. You need a piece of paper and a pencil. Number your paper from 1 to 50, then set it aside until the end of this video. A picture of 50 objects will stay on the screen for 30 seconds. Try to remember all the objects that are shown. When the picture disappears, pick up the your pencil and write down as many objects as you can remember in 2 minutes. When the 2 minutes is up, the picture of the objects will appear back on the screen. Check to see how many you remembered correctly.
Oh.
Okay. All of you got it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you
So-
watch
Ma'am,
that?
I don't understand.
You don't understand.
Yeah.
Okay, so actually here they given that 15 objects are there. There are more than 15 objects in my picture, okay? I just
Okay.
gave you an idea for this. So what you can do is first you can write from what just 1 to 15 numbers. 1 to 15 or 1 to 20 you can write. And then I'll just show you a picture with so many objects. Okay?
What is
So-
Hadi doing?
And then you can just observe that picture for 1 minute. I'll give you 1 minute for observing all the pictures, and you can, I think you can, it's up to you in what way of remembering, it's up to you. Okay, you can just like, if there is a cycle and a pencil, so you can, like, for cycle you can remember like C, and for pencil you can remember like P. Okay, just you can make a short form from that. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so you can do in such a way. It's your idea of how to remember it. I'll give you 1.5 minutes, okay? Or you need 2 minutes? It's up to
No.
you. Can decide.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Two
Yeah, okay, I'll
minutes,
give
ma'am.
you 2 minutes for remembering. You can observe it very well, and then I'll just remove that pic, and then you can write down whatever there is in your mind. It should not be there in any order and all. You can you can write whatever you see in that picture. Okay, there will be many things. You can write whatever there is in the picture.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so can we start?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All are ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so you can keep all of you written till 20 or 25.
I wrote
20.
20.
Till 20.
Till
20.
20. Okay. Yeah. And
What?
then now you can keep it aside.
Mm.
Your pencil
Okay.
and a pen and your pen.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So it's going to start. I'll give you 2 minutes.
Okay.
I'm getting timer here. Okay. I'm making timer here. Set.
Yes.
Okay. Get. Set. Go.
Uh,
Who is keeping your video off? Yeah, everybody's turning on. Good. I just need to see everybody's face properly.
my goodness.
You have 1 more minute remaining.
No.
Hadi, you're not participating.
How am I gonna write?
Just write at least in your hand.
Ma'am, what's that support thing in the last row?
Don't distract me.
The instrument.
Yeah, like this.
Which one?
It's trumpet. Trumpet. Right?
Yeah, trumpet.
Yeah.
That everyone will remember, right? Okay, your timer is gonna end.
No.
Okay, it's end.
No.
Yeah. Now we can move.
You have 2 minutes to write down as many.
You can start, ma'am, writing.
Yes, start it. Noha, I cannot see you.
Okay.
Hadi, you're not writing. Write it somewhere, dear. What the hell? You don't have at least a paper there.
Where the hell am I gonna write?
Okay, I'll stay silent. You have 2 minutes to write.
How much minutes now?
You have 1 more minute. Hadi, you can write in the chat box.
Yeah.
And don't send it, okay? You can just write and keep it there.
But yeah, dot that.
I'll give you 2 more minutes and everyone can write in the chat box. Please don't send it. Okay, keep it aside. I will say you when to send it. Okay? When I say
Okay.
stop only, you can send it.
Otherwise, ma'am, it will be better if we are making them to read it out, right?
But ma'am, there are chances if somebody missed something,
Yes,
they
yes,
can
yes,
just
yes,
add
yes.
it. No?
Yes.
Okay, everybody can write in the chat box, please.
Okay.
Fast. Please don't send it, okay?
No.
Ma'am, I don't think so. I will help help them.
Hadi, that you can do like that, right? Okay, you have 1 more minute.
Okay, okay. How much minutes now?
Yeah, it's gonna end. I'll say,
Ma'am, it's getting hard.
Yeah.
is there is a typing issue?
No.
That means you know something, you have no time for typing. Is there any issue like that?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, you can continue. You can continue. I'll give you 1 more minute.
Remember it. Cannot remember it.
Please don't send it annoyingly.
My hand is on the enter button.
Okay, all of you finished typing?
Yes.
Okay, then. Get set, go. Wow. Wow, who is done that in the very good
There
manner?
was still more. I
Azra.
didn't have time.
Azra, you written 12. Okay, I'll just read.
Ma'am, I didn't get time.
Ma'am, I'm almost done, ma'am.
On the chat.
And now you cannot send again. Who is it? Who's
Ma'am, I
there?
have so many, but I only write little bit.
Wait,
Cat
it
dog
should
book.
you should catch it. Okay, Azra,
Can I
you
just
done in
read
a
out
very
what I
good
wrote in
manner,
the
dear.
notebook?
Okay, I'll show you once again.
Oh.
Ma'am, I just want to
Before that, I'll just check who has done more.
I don't
Arhan,
know
yeah,
if
1,
you
2, 3, 4,
I
5,
think Amina.
6,
Ma'am,
7,
the
8,
last one cycle and
9,
magnifying glass is
10,
different, okay?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Wow, great, dear.
Ma'am, the last cycle and magnifying glass is different, okay?
Yeah, okay, so 22, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, I had more in my notebook.
I already asked you whether you finished typing.
I said no.
You said no, I don't heard
Almost
it right.
finished, ma'am.
I only remembered few of them, but wow.
Okay. So, Adra ma'am, can you help me in deciding it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Can we just count? So, Afam already written 22.
20 plus 24?
Aham Ahan already written 22 and Afam written 15
minus 15.
and Amina Azmina 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Ahan
Okay,
is 24, Ahan.
Amina
22,
Azmin,
ma'am.
it's
22.
we
Asmin,
have
it
to
is?
check whether it's there also, ma'am.
Okay.
After writing the numbers. And Afam written 15, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
let me.
Yeah, Afam written 15. And Amina Azmina, how many was that? Oh my god, I forgot.
1, 2, 3, 4,
20.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
I will
12,
say
13,
20.
14,
8,
15, 16,
9, 10,
17,
Why
18, 19,
didn't
20,
put the
21, 22,
comma?
right?
21.
Amina Azmin, it's 22, right?
19, 20. That means 20.
Ma'am, yeah, it's 22, Amina Azmin.
No, ma'am, I think you count food and trust.
And
A target board.
Natina,
Blackboard. Yeah,
1,
food
2,
truck
3,
was
Why
there.
did put commas for some of them?
1,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
23.
9, 10,
Natina,
11,
it is
12,
23.
13, 14,
What is your name
15, 16,
actually? I
17,
don't know your
18,
name.
19, 20. Yes, ma'am. Amina Azmin, it's 20, okay?
Yeah. What is his name? Nete?
Amina Azmin, it's 20.
Ah,
Afam,
yeah, that one I wrote.
22. And Jwelster, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Gel
12,
sticks.
13, 14,
Let me count.
I
15,
couldn't show
16, 17, 18, ma'am. 18. Jwelster, 18.
Okay.
I couldn't show the.
Amra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
And
11,
Natinal, it is
12,
21. 21 or
13,
22?
14, 15. 15. Amra, it's 15.
Ah, okay.
Ma'am, what's the bread?
Ma'am,
What's the bread? Oh,
What?
ma'am, what's the bread?
Also, think like
Ma'am, there's no bread, I think. Ma'am, could you show the picture?
Azra, it's 12.
Azra, it's 12.
the one with the
Lisa
I don't know.
1,
She's
2,
in the
3,
middle.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Lisa?
9,
There's a sandwich, but I
10,
don't know.
11,
There was
12.
another sandwich as well.
Lisa also 12, ma'am.
There is.
Azra and Lisa 12, right?
Yeah. Now Faiha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Ma'am, it
9,
is
10,
15, right? Not
11,
12.
12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 15, 16. Faiha, it's 16, right? Can you help me in counting?
Who? Me?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, Manal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to show the picture. I think there's no cat.
What?
There is cat.
Could you show the picture?
Yeah. Yes, this is. I'll just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many is there? 25 is here.
Yeah, there's 25.
Okay, and I'll just read Afam's. Okay, I mean Ahan's. I'll read. He's the one who written everything, right? I mean 22.
Okay.
And just check everybody whether it is there. Apple, flower, cat, cup, earth is there. Balloon, trumpet, truck, pencil. Okay, 7, flag, dog. Yeah.
Glasses.
Glasses. Glasses means
Ma'am, the
Mag-
glasses
mag-
are
That
yeah.
yeah,
under
that,
Both glasses are there. Magnifying glasses and also. You
um,
mean both?
ma'am,
Okay, anyway.
magnifying glasses and the this one. I'm
Specs, right?
yes, specs.
Cycle magnifying glass. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah. For glasses, you written specs. You written glasses.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wrote
And
23.
bell. Are you
Bell.
for
After
bell
cat.
means?
After cat.
Okay. Good. Sandwich, tree, parrot, Okay. Hand. Very good. Again bell. Two bells are
bell.
there. So one
Yeah,
you
one.
have only
21.
21, right? Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Book. Book you already written, right? No?
No,
Okay.
I didn't.
Okay, okay. Book and cycle. So 21, right?
Yeah.
21 correct. I think
Ma'am,
he's the
I
winner.
wrote 23.
Who?
Who?
Ma'am, for some of them I didn't put commas. That's why you
Okay.
read 20.
Okay.
Is
But
it?
I think
Okay, I'll read Amina's, okay?
Okay, I will go.
Apple, flower, trumpet, hand, cat, dog, book, earth, cycle, cake, cake. What is cake?
Yeah, 7. Flag is 7. There's a comma.
Oh,
Ma'am,
where is cake, dear?
there is no
One,
cake.
it's
two,
your cake
three.
under apple.
Okay, yeah,
There
yes,
are
okay.
5, 2, 3,
Bird,
5, 6,
flag,
7.
Correct.
7, okay.
Box,
Box,
food
food
truck,
truck,
food,
food,
Not put
food
that.
and
food
truck.
and truck.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
some of them I didn't put comma.
Okay.
So it's
1,
25 written.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yeah, 23. It's 23, ma'am.
It's 20. She
Seven,
said it's 25.
34. It's 34.
I thought 23.
It's 34.
It's 23.
Bell, balloon,
Okay, dear. Okay. So what do you mean by stick? Is there any stick there?
I think she means
Flag.
I think it
Only
was
balloon.
pencil. It was pencil.
Pencil.
1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4.
So
And
can we
there is
consider
2 times
stick
flag.
and stick and its pencil is two
Yeah,
flags
there's
are
2
there?
times 5.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
33. It's 33.
So it's 20, right?
It's 33.
Okay. In total it's 23 is there. Total 24, right?
Yeah, it was total 34, but there's 2 times flag. So
And I think stick is also not disqualified, right? We cannot write stick for a
22.
pencil.
I think she didn't see that
Ma'am,
point.
also there is 2 times flag.
Yeah, okay. In total, she written 24, and
Yeah,
there is 2 time flag, so it's become 23. And
yeah.
stick is also disqualified, so it is 22.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
22 correct one. And
Yes.
for Aham, it's 20. Afam is what we decided is 21, right?
It was 50. For me, yeah, 21.
Okay. And who else? Is there anybody who has written other than Amina?
I will just see.
Ma'am, mine.
Nathaniel.
Ma'am, mine.
Manal is there.
Let me see Nathaniel.
Ma'am, me also.
Okay, Hadi. You written how much?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Hadi
7, 8,
24.
9,
Wow.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It's 24.
Nathaniel also wrote 22.
Okay, Ahan, can you just check whether it's there? What Hadi
Okay.
written is there?
Okay. Jail is
Apple.
not there. Jail.
Yeah, there is none.
22.
What do you mean by jail?
I don't know.
And 2 times flag. Again 2 times flag in that.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, 2 times flag.
So
Copied.
now it became 21, right?
Yeah,
1,
31.
2, 3, 4, 5,
22.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
It's like
Okay, look,
escape
apple,
file.
flower, trumpet, hand. Okay, just count.
20. It's
It's
20.
20, right? 2 flag is there. It's 21.
It's 20 and 21. 1, 2,
What about
3.
jail?
four.
Is there jail there?
No.
No.
Hadi, what you what you meant by jail? Okay.
Put jail.
Ma'am, stick is there.
Stick, yeah,
I
stick
mean,
is also
he
there.
wrote
Ma'am,
stick.
and it's like mine copied.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, I also feel like Nathaniel
Not
said
mine copy.
It is like
There are flags.
Nathaniel But Nathaniel copied. No, Hadi copied Nathaniel.
Hadi, is it?
Yeah, it's not like that. It's a no, man.
Copy paste.
And how it will come in such a same
Yeah,
way?
there's
How can
only
you
one
write like
difference.
that? Look, the same
Yeah,
thing as
last.
here.
Mine without
Difference is there.
commas.
No difference.
Yeah, only
No.
one difference. That's jail.
Only the jail is different.
Yeah. Okay. So let me say, I think Amina is the winner here.
Yeah.
Good.
Right. And the second goes to Ahan.
Congrats.
Congrats, dear. So,
Ma'am, there's so many people wrote 22.
yeah.
So many people got second.
Is there?
Yeah, like Nathaniel,
Hadi only write 3.
and there was just how many just there was 1, 2, 3. And there's no football.
I couldn't say Jewelsters. What is her?
Football is after hand.
What is that?
What the?
7.
Yeah, Jewelster. It's how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. 18, right?
Then there's football. There's no football in the photo.
That's not football. That's
It's like after hand. It's like in some countries it's called football.
Is it football? How can we say it's football?
Ma'am, we can
Ball,
say
it's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
it's okay.
Ah,
because
okay.
man.
Yeah.
Football.
Yeah, okay.
No, it's soccer.
But it's only 18, right? Jewelsters, it's only 18. What about Amras?
15.
Okay.
And now,
Ma'am, what should we do now? Ma'am, what should we do?
Nothing. We are just deciding the winner. So let me say, I think Amina is the first, and Nathaniel and Ahan, right?
I'm second.
They both are second.
Yes. Oh.
Yeah. And next, now it's up to you. Now you can decide what to do again.
Gaming club.
Ma'am, can we
What
dance?
is that sound coming? Liza, from your side itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Some sounds are
Can we
coming
do
from.
gaming club, please, ma'am?
I don't know what.
Gaming club, it's okay.
Just.
Okay. I'm going for gaming
Ma'am,
club.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Gaming club, ma'am. Gaming club.
Ma'am, don't allow people who doesn't wants to play.
Ayan, show your cat.
Only
No.
1 minute.
Yeah,
1 minute.
yeah.
I'm getting a call. Okay. It will come now.
ma'am, other ma'am is.
I'll give you some link. Ahan will
Sorry,
explain.
ma'am.
that.
Actually, I got some network issues.
Okay, it's okay, ma'am. It's okay. From whose side it is? Hadi, please mute.
Ma'am, kick him out of the meeting.
What was that?
It's necessary.
Ma'am, he's angry because he doesn't got the thing.
What was that?
He got angry. That's why.
Yeah.
There is no way for getting angry, right? He has done some wrong.
My ears are broken.
What happened, Iza?
That sound broke my ears.
So I'll give you one link here. Ahan,
Okay.
will you explain that to
Yeah.
her, everyone?
Ma'am, it is good.
I know you know this.
Please link it. Link.
You just
Got
try. Yeah. The one link is it.
Who turned the mic off?
Ma'am, should we all join in this?
Yes, everyone, please join. Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah,
everyone
yeah.
should join.
Ahan, do you know the rules of that?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, can you
Yes.
please explain that rules to them?
Ma'am, I know.
We know
Um,
this.
Ma'am, can you share
You
or
can
should
share.
I share? Okay.
Everyone should join in that, right?
I joined.
What to do here?
I don't know.
Just sh-
Your brother is the genius, not me.
Ma'am, this is thing for baby
No,
to
no,
play babies
I
like
don't
this
know
thing.
what it is.
it's
I don't
not
know
for
what
that.
it is.
It's for. I will explain.
Physics, puzzles, games. Oh.
How does he know?
How does he know that? Yeah.
Bro,
Wow.
I'm genius. You know.
Wow.
That's what I said.
What a lie.
You are a liar, not me. Not your brother.
Oh, I thought we need to move that thing to the third tower. And I did it.
My
It's not.
brain is
It's not like that.
twisted. What is it?
It's not like that.
Ma'am, what
Yeah.
is this?
There is Ahan.
Generation
He will be
that
explaining
young.
that. Ahan, you can do it.
So there is a tower. Okay. So we can move this piece to a.
Hold on.
Oh, this one.
So to any of the rows, and you have the minimum moves of 7, I think. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
in 9, and the goal is to like do the same shape here.
I found it.
The
How to
same
do?
shape
I
here.
found it out. Yeah, put the.
Like example here. Okay,
Hadi turn
I
on
think he clicked one solve.
like this. Well done.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can upper the difficulty by like hiring the tower like
The
7,
one
8.
who moves with the smaller moves, he's the winner.
7. I did 7 moves.
I also did 7 moves.
I think
It's
you can
actually
take
very
4 disc, right?
4.
Yeah.
Can I do
No.
something else?
No.
And we can.
We could change it to 4, 3, or. Yeah.
Okay, everyone can do with 4 moves,
Now the
okay?
difficulty is higher.
Okay, Hadi. Hadi, turn off.
Hadi, what is this?
Ma'am, can you
Hadi.
catch up?
Hadi, please turn off it, please.
Yes.
Ma'am, you too, ma'am.
Ma'am, kick her.
It's the blender. I think it's the blender.
Hadi is out.
Oh.
Mummy, how many moves should we do?
You can have maximum of 11 moves for this, right? No. No.
11?
One sec.
About do
Oh
that.
my God.
Ahan will share the link.
Yes, ma'am. I already shared the link. Can I?
Ah,
I'll
okay.
send you again.
Why? No. Okay. Excuse me.
Noha, is there any problem with you?
No.
All are doing this. Can you please share your screen and do? So I
Everyone?
can see what are you doing.
No.
Mine, the screen gets stuck when I press and then it is slow.
Excuse me.
Which one we need to do? 4 this one or 5 6 this move?
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, I have 22. Very bad.
Ma'am,
Very bad.
how did you know I know this game? Hello, ma'am.
I'll do this. Here, 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 here. I'll be the fourth squad. Here, here, here.
Shut. Be silent for 1 minute.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom and come back?
Yes,
What
after 8 minutes you can go, right? Only 8 more minutes to wind up.
No. Need to take it back and forth. Back and forth.
No,
No, you.
shut up.
You.
No.
No, you.
Can you guys shut up, please?
What?
He
Ma'am,
said-
I'm done.
He said to you.
Okay, Dan, can you share your screen?
No.
Wait, ma'am. Oh my god, why did I reset it? Oh my god. Ma'am, I reset it, ma'am.
Oh.
Don't worry. I made 10 moves.
So,
Can you share with us, Heza?
11 moves by this point.
and which one we need to do? 3 days
4 days.
or 4 days? Sunday. Ma'am, that
Is it?
4
How
days.
many moves?
Ma'am, I did it.
Yes,
Ma'am, I did it.
15?
I did 15 moves.
Yeah, say.
And there is also solve button. With it, you can solve it automatically.
I'm not gonna use it.
Oh. What? What?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Is it automatic?
Excuse me?
Wow.
You can solve button.
Oh. So many moves.
What is that?
I could not do
Oh
this.
my god.
It's so hard.
Wow. Am I blind or is this really happening? Oh.
This is, look, 53 moves and all. 53 moves and all.
What? I didn't know that was happening.
Yeah.
Ayan, can you mute? From your side, echo is coming.
Ayan, can you mute? From your side, echo is coming.
Should I share my
Yeah,
screen?
101 moves. You have to make lower your moves, okay? Who done with lower moves? Which is four disc.
The 4 disc, right?
My mom does
Ma'am, I did it 19 moves.
Okay, Ayan, you did with 19 moves. What about Affam?
I'm so smart.
How many moves? Just keep it there, no?
Just keep it there.
No, can we not do this?
Our time is almost up.
Our time is almost
Is this boring?
I'm painless.
Yes, ma'am. Can we do some?
No, there is no time for gaming. Is there any?
No, there is no
Ayan,
time for
can you
games.
please mute?
Is there any?
Yeah, next week we can do one thing. You can actually give us suggestions which games you want
Yes.
to play, right, ma'am?
Roblox.
Ma'am,
Okay,
they
okay, I'll say
probably
you
say
something.
Free Fire and PUBG.
For the next week, you come
Ma'am,
prepared with
Free Fire.
something. Whether it is game or anything.
Like
If
wings.
you just decide what.
If we are sharing anything, you will not be liking that. So if we share your views,
So you
it
can
will-
decide. You everyone can just think and decide what to do.
Ma'am, everyone is looking for
Okay, then you can
gaming.
do it.
Gaming club.
Okay, but everyone should
Ma'am, you're
everyone
not
should
letting us.
be with it. Some people gaming, some people are not interested in gaming. Then it's not good, right?
Ma'am, let them go to another
How
room.
is that physics?
Okay, so for the next week, you can decide what you have to do. Let me, who all are interested in gaming? Just raise your hand.
If gaming is not there, what would be the other club?
Okay. So how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So
Yes.
9, 9, 10.
10.
No, here it is showing only 9.
There's
Ma'am, there's 10, ma'am. There's 10.
10, 11, 12.
Is it?
11.
There's 10 only, ma'am.
10, right?
No, no,
11.
11.
11.
Okay, now
11,
everyone.
11, 11.
Who are
Ayan,
not
Ahan,
interested? Asking that will be good.
9.
Yeah, those who are not interested, please raise your hands. I think
Yeah.
that will be less.
If everyone's speaking, the hand will go only go
Nathaniel, you
down.
can stop raising your hand.
Ma'am,
Then only we know.
If we're not interested in gaming, what would
That
be
is
the
what
other
we
club?
said. You can decide what to do.
Yeah, you
Actually,
can
these
decide.
clubs are
Otherwise,
not
if we are
decided
deciding,
by
we will not like.
teachers. It should be planned by you. Okay. So,
Okay.
Ahan, are you interested in gaming?
Ma'am, kind of,
Then,
yes.
okay, you can be prepared for. You and your team can prepare for what game you need. Everyone should have access to it. Okay, for the next week. So I'll
Okay.
make you
Who
as the
is
team
in his
leader.
team? Who is in his team? Ma'am, I'll join in the gaming club.
Okay. Now who else is there for not gaming? For not interested in gaming? Fatima, Faiha, and Manal, Nuha. Right? Only two are
Very
there
good.
for not interested. Fatima, Faiha, and Manal are there. Fatima, Nuha also. So let me ask you for what you are interested. Manal,
Ma'am, I am.
do you have any plan for doing anything? Making bracelets club. Wow.
Oh. Ma'am, like I'd rather have a club that would do like more like designer club,
Yeah,
right?
okay,
Like last
sure.
time.
Okay, so you can
Yeah.
be in a other breakout room.
Ma'am, what happened to technology club and designing club? Did it collapse?
What?
In May
What,
and
What,
June,
Ahan?
it's
ma'am, what
different
happened to
clubs.
designing club and technology club?
That was in May. This is in June. A new
Yeah.
month.
Okay,
Yes.
that's fine.
Man, can we do something
No,
else
it's
right
time
now? Like,
over. Yeah, the time is over. Okay, so Ahan, I'm making you the leader. You can decide what game should be, and everyone who are interested should have access to it. Okay? Okay, Ahan? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Someone
Yeah.
literally said
Okay,
bye.
and Nuha and Manal, you can decide what arts club are you ready with. Okay, then you
Okay.
can just make a plan for what to do. Okay,
ma'am, like
for the next
when?
week,
Like,
next Wednesday.
how?
Okay, then
Okay, ma'am.
have a great day, everyone. You can leave. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Ma'am.
Bye,
Have a
ma'am.
great day. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear.
Bye.